trains at Sydenham. The 11th of March 2023. We have a train coming in. 378147. And we have another train coming in. It is a 5-coach train. We have another overground train coming. And this time, it's number 378. Blah. I don't know what set it is, but it's still 378. And we have 700. 139, because it's like and 378205's off.
He's not going to do it. He's just hold it properly.
Is going to leave. And we have another train coming in. Isn't it another capital star? It is another capital star. I call them capital stars because that's the family name of those trains. And it's 378. I'm pretty sure it's still another 378. And it's going to Highbury and Islington. Thought it was going to go to Dalston, and it's 378205. We have a train. 377616. And another 377, but 377619. And then we have 377708 and 377707. And we also have 378229 arriving at Sydenham. I haven't taken it. Gone.
Loses its.
Train leaving. Leaving. 378136 leaving. And we also have a Thameslink train, 700-135. Oh, the clickety-clacking. Oh, the clickety-clacking of the train. Ooh. I'm pretty sure. Then we have a Thameslink train coming too. $700, 121. I'm trying to video it. And we also have 378149.
Standing at platform 2 is the 1641 London Overground service to
Wait, 378-149. Told you, Mum. I'm not getting used to loud noises. How in the world did he give me a loud noise? How did he give me a horn that loud? Guys, don't play this video at full volume. And we have a 171. Unusual, because I don't see 171s often. 171-811. How curious to see 171 speed through this station. I don't know why there's a 171. And I guess we have a 700. 700. 116. The Graffiti Lords. So much 6. Is it kind of rush hour? We have another train coming in. And it's the Southern service to London Victoria from Brighton. 377-449. Wait till he gives me a toot. And the train will leave in a bit. No, the train will leave now. Yeah. Yep. Mark my words, the train is leaving. And it's a 4-coach train. So that means it's only one set. Oh, by the way, how do they make me... We have a 378 coming in. 378. 130. Oh, it sparks so well. Oh, it's because of the third rail shoe, I guess. And another spark. 378, 151. Right. Well, that's all the trains for today. Please like, please subscribe, and please comment down below which video is your favourite. For now, it's Samuel out.